All right. Hey, sound check. Think everything's good. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. Another beautiful evening. Hopefully, you've enjoyed your week. And this is Monday evening, the first trading day of the week. And kamusta? Kamusta sa PSEi? PSEi, ito po ginawa ni PSEi ngayon. It was on the green, pero 0.14 lang. So basically, we are already starting to form resistances kay PSEi. That's to be understood kasi sobrang lakas ng galaw ng PSEi the past few weeks even, di ba? But still very good. Even if we are hitting resistance levels, nasa net foreign buying pa rin tayo. Medyo natatakpan ng logo, pero we are at the resistance, we are 20 million at net foreign buying. It's not that high, but that's to be understood since we are on the resistance levels. I'm expecting the market to really pull back and really try to go to its normal uptrend line. So, expect na, this is just me, ayoko panguna ng market, but usually kasi pag ganito, markets will really, try to correct its movement. Right now, Philippines is moving well with the vaccination and everything. So, we have everything we need, technically. Teka lang, yeah, we have everything we need technically for our economy to grow, right? So far so good. Good news sa mga nasa PSEi. Ever still on a massive move. GMA 7, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay sa pre-GMA 7 on, especially on the breakout. But yung mga gusto ko sila Mac. I recommended Mac before and po nag-breakout na si Mac. MWC, we talked about MWC also. That was a buy already. LHC looking well. BKR, nope, we didn't really talk about that. M-Wide, yes, M-Wide. Isa sa mga sinabi kong budigahin yun na noon pa. So already on a good rally, hitting resistances, but nonetheless, that's a very big win already for those who entered M-Wide. So that's basically how we trade. BDO, kanina, nag-breakout. So, breakout dito noon for BDO, and then there it is. Congratulations sa mga umakyat kay kay BDO na. Or, love this stock, man. Sobrang daming maganda sa Philippine Stock Exchange right now, okay? But then again, this evening, nga pala bukas, meron akong post sa Billionaires Club na medyo nagkagalo yung mga tao. We'll talk about that later. But kamustahin muna natin ang mga trades ninyo. International markets, Bitcoin, medyo okay naman. For today, it's not really that high. Let me open Pro Charts really quick. Pro charts. This is eToro's charting platform. Okay, so let's check out BTC. Si Bitcoin, okay naman si Bitcoin. Since the last time we called it out, it's going sideways already. Pero pumupula siya ngayon. So there's a resistance at 40,000 right now. So if you want to get in Bitcoin, 30,000 is the best entry right now. But yeah, still very expensive for me. Sa Bitcoin. Anyways, let me just adjust our chat box really quick. Ayan. Going to close up. Let's go muna sa mga comments ninyo. Alright, let's talk about it. Nga pala, alright, share my screen again. This guys, right? I just wanted to announce, ito yung mga nanalo sa ginawa natin trading competition for week number 2. This is just for 1 week. Week number 2, these are the top 9s. We have Alexis Lacanlale, and then very avid follower of mine, Dranre, Bernard Amigable, right? I think he's watching right now. I'm not really sure. Pero yeah, congratulations. $172 ang earnings niya from our trend follower na bot. John Vincent Leto, also follower here. Noel Quindoza, always alright here, man. Dominito Ibanez, John Patrick Behar, Junker de Rosario, Reginald, Julia, and Joseta Dia Jr. Yung bot kasi, ang ganda ng mga entries. Hilutin nyo lang. Your earnings can go up really, right? So, yep. Congratulations sa mga nanalo sa trading competition natin. Every week meron po yung competition sa EA bot. So if you wanna join the bot, yung bot trading, people are already earning. Andyan po sa video description yung registration link, okay? Huwag niyo po ang kalimutan yan. Let me just open this really quick. Yung background music natin. Right? So, sana we can talk, diba? Let's go to everyone's comment. I really wanna read everyone's comment. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Good evening, Angelo, Andrew, Rosario. Walang background music. Wala bang background music kanina? I'm not really sure. Wait. Yeah. Hindi pala nagba-background music. There we go. That was my bad. I tweaked a few settings and background music's already available now. Pasensya na. Kala ko may background music. Right? Andito sa akin sa headphones ko na may background music. Hindi ko pala nakita yon. Pasensya na, ako lang po mag-isa nag-aano kasi. Ako lang mag-isa na nakikinig. I mean, I do everything. Production. Lights, cameras, music, action. Lahat na. Alright, thank you so much for letting me know, Angelo Andrew Ruel, Dio Carreza, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, Benji Unabia. And magandang gabi, waiting sa news about new investments, Felipe Nico Tristan II. Alright, actually, yung new investment naman natin is still a bot. It's just that, right now, ito ko si ginagawa ko, the program right now is, StockSed, we're teaching you how to trade. And for those who don't know how to trade, there's me personally, I teach, I advocate copy trading. And then, ito, sa bot trading, right? So, at the same time, yan, naghahanap kami, yung bot trading kasi natin more into short term lang siya. And I was kind of, me and my team were kind of looking for a bot na mas medyo long term yung approach. So, we were looking for one for how many months, and then last week, we were very busy. We run down the results of the bot, and amazingly, 400% ang kinita niya from asan na yun? From August 2020 to May 2021. This was the post that we created. But from our backtesting, ito yung kinita niya, right? We already have 15 years backtesting data. Grabe, 98% yung win rate niya for the entries. But then again, let's talk about that tomorrow. Wag muna ngayon. Right? We'll talk about that at a different Because this is StockSed. We will teach you how to trade sa mga gustong matuto rin mag-trade. Okay? It's just that maganda kasing diversification yun. D5Ed, good evening. Laura Rosarinapa, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Jeric Ramaslero, magandang gabi. Jepoy Gagarin, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pasukin lang po ALVR and VRR. And what do you think about these two companies? Actually, not really familiar with these two companies. So we'll just do technical analysis then. Showing my screen right now. Let me, what do you call this? Something wrong with the charts. There it is. Yan. Alright, Ethereum. ALVR. Alright, Alover Incorporated. Ang ganda ng technical analysis niya. Massive support. Ito yung pinaka-support niya bago siya talaga umakyat. We saw the resistances right there. Sobrang solid na resistance. But now we are at support levels. Ganda ng technical analysis nga na. If this is just a good company and maganda yung presyo niya, I would say this is a buy already. We have a buy signal that respects the support. And look at that right there. Galing ha? Like your trade, Jepoy Gagarin. Please do your part lang. Alright, please study about this company. Make sure this is a good company and presyo niya is a fair price for you to get in. Usually kasi isa yan sa mga yan kasi ang isa sa mga basis ko before I want to get in a company, right? Yung presyo niya. So make sure this is a good price right here. VIR. What do you think about these two companies, man? I can't speak about the company right now because I'm not really sure about the company. So pataas yung meron tayong resistance right? Resistance number 1, resistance number 2. So, this is gonna be a very tricky trade. So, pwede siya mag-break out. RSI is telling us that the momentum is already starting to go up. This might go up, but the volume's not really picking up. So, gonna be very challenging for you to get in here. I would say, let it break out from the major resistance, which is this one right here, before you wanna get in. Okay? Or, if ever mag-pullback man yan sa baba, maganda. Saka nyo pasukin. Dito, around that area. Right, Jean Isamu Katsuro, good evening coach, good evening po. Question po Sir Lord, overvalued na po ba si SMC at mataas po ba magbigay ng dividends si SMC? Actually, maganda magbigay si SMC. And overvalued na ba? Actually, hindi pa po. Right, sobrang compared to its prices during the bullish run, it's still very good right now. Right, actually, ganda pa rin kakasimula pala ng rally, oh. Next green, this would be a buy, but it's not overvalued at this time. Okay? Good morning, good evening, Sir Lord Alfredo Cristo. Thoughts about CLI, Simulan Masters. Love that company. Yun na naman, si CLI. Dividends, ganda ng dividends niya. I told you guys, just buy this if you wanna go investing. Bilhin nyo na to. If ever ayaw nyo po, kung gusto nyo quick dates, wag maipit kayo dyan. Alright? Babagsak to, definitely, on the ex-div date. Right? But, man, this is double your money technically with the current price of this company right now, and they're gonna give you 123% stock dividends. That's gonna double your money, man. I mean, bababa yung presyo niya, your money will not really double, but the amount of stocks that you have, the doble, that's big, right? CLI, I've been telling you nung nag-pull back pa, nag-bounce when they announced the dividends. I told you na just buy this, and it's still going up even if magsa-stock div siya. Even if people know that this is gonna drop, pumapasok pa rin ng mga tao. Because man, that's a very big bargain right there. Stock div na yan. So, hopefully binili nyo na. Wala na. Last day na bukas. Babagsak to bukas, definitely. So, we'll be watching it once it drops. I don't know what will happen to it, but man, then again, this is a good company right here, man. So, kind of too late right now. It's kind of too late. We've been talking about CLI the past few days. TBGI, sir, this is from Rob. Bob, kamo, magandang gabi, Bob. Kamusta? TBGI. Oh, right. Okay naman yung galaw. Okay yung galaw ni TBGI. For me, just medyo expensive na siya. So, medyo tricky na yung trend niya. Okay? But, if you wanna get in, you will wanna test this trend line right here. So, let it bounce from that trend. Congratulations sa or Baba. Galing. Ishi Marimat, pa-check po si International FISW as FISV, Zillow Group, and W Day. Let's check it out. Hello sir, from Janer Diano. May bagong disclosure si MM regarding sa lock-in ng IPO stocks. Insights on how this will affect the price. Actually, it will not affect that price that much. It's really this really concerns investors, right? Malalock-in yung doesn't really matter if ever malak-in kasi whenever you buy IPO, majority of those who buy IPO has the what do you call this? Has investor mindset, right? So if malak-in man yan, walang problema yan. Let me check that out. Kasi when you go IPO, dapat kasi saan nilagay yung news, Janer? Yung disclosure. The last disclosure is 27 years ago. Right? Coach, any thoughts on Monday? We've been talking about Monday. I love the company, right? Si Monday. And it's already been going up lately. So, medyo may kamahalan na siya. So, I don't want you to buy it anymore. Next, the pullback na lang kay Monday. If ever you wanna get in. Anyways, let's go back to the comments. FISV nga pala. Right. Fiserv Incorporated, not really familiar with the company, so let's check out the technical analysis. Still on the downtrend, my friend. There's still momentum on the downside, especially on the moving average 20 niya. So I still will not recommend this at all. Hindi, may engulfing na pero nagpumula na naman. Possible this is possibly gonna create a support right here. But ang lakas pa rin ng momentum niya. Give this a few days. Let's see anong pattern ibibigay niya sa atin. Maganda na yung pinapakita niyang RSI. Eh. So somehow I think this is gonna support and this is gonna stabilize anytime soon for Fiserv Incorporated. Right? The Zillow Group and W Day. Z. Zillow Group Incorporated. Oy, ganda na support, man. Good find right here. I'd say this is a buy. Just confirm the support right there. Then RSI is already telling us na wala nang bentahan. I would say this is a buy. If this is a good company, please do your part. If this is a good company, which I think it is, look at this climb right here. I think this is good, right? I think that's a buy right there. Janer Dianyo, ganda ni bot trading ngayon, sir. Congratulations. Ano nga, si Janer is one of those who started with the bot. Ganda ng mga entries ng bot ngayon, right? Bantayan mo yung mga trades, man. Daming magandang entries ngayon. So, just sell those positions na sa tingin nyo nagre-resistance or nagwe-weaken na yung rally niya. But man, ganda ng mga opens ng bot. Grabe. Congratulations, Janera. Z. Ayan, tapos na tayo kay Z. W-Day. O nga pala. Alright, just wanna shout this out. Sa bot, please huwag niyo po sasayin na opportunity. There's a promo for XM right now na double your investment. That means kung maglalagay kayo ng $100, dodoblehin yan ng XM is gonna give you another $100 for you to be able to trade that. If you put in $500, you can XM is gonna give you up to $500 also. So up to $500 lang dodoblehin nila. Doesn't mean na maglalagay ka 1,000 ibibigay lang. Hanggang 500 lang. But if you wanted to start the bot before, yeah, this is a good chance. Kasi yung bot kasi natin, yung trend follower na bot natin, sila Jenner is already trading. I showed you kanina yung mga nanalos competition. They're already earning. 500 kasi ang simula, starting for the bot. Right? So, if ever nahirapan kayo sa $500 noon, this time, just put in $250 to doblehin ni XM yan. You can already start with the bot. Kasi magkakaroon na kayo ng 500 because since XM is gonna be doubling it. So, I don't know what else you guys are waiting for. We are gonna be opening. Sobrang dami ng mga nag-join. We're gonna be opening more slots. Libre lang po yung bot, right? Marami kasing nag-comment kahapon with the post that I gave na scam daw, etc. ganito ganyan. Actually, as much as possible, inilibre namin yung bot, diba? The bot is for free. Kailangan nyo lang bayaran monthly is for the server. I mean, for the computer na magta-trade sa inyo. It's just 500 pesos monthly. Yun lang, right? Para hindi kailangan yung PC nyo mag-on buong araw, 24/5 para mag-trade, right? So, yeah, that's it. I don't know what else. I don't know what else to say about you guys. But yeah, if ever gusto nyo po na mag-diversify, check out the video about bot trading. Okay. W-Day right here. Workday. There it is. Let's KDRL. Let me post a comment really quick. So, here, sa mga hindi nakapanood ng episode natin about the bot, I posted a comment, yung new registration, and then dyan yung video about, if you wanna know about bot, please watch the video first. Huwag kayo mag-register basta kung hindi nyo naintindihan. Please watch the video first. May slots po, yes. Asa na yun? W-Day. Actually, okay na to, man. Support right here is already confirmed. This is the best buy area, pero hindi pa naman huli ang lahat, kakasimula pa ng rally niya. I would still say this is a good buy, right? Galing ng trades, galing ng calls mo na ngayon, galing ng mga tinitingnan mo ngayon, Ishi. Galing. Mabel, San Jose, good day Sir Lloyd, paki-check po ang Globe, thank you, more power. You're welcome. Globe Telecom. Oh, huge rally, but there's no volume that rally. Pero ang ganda na support nito. We're hitting resistances levels for Globe. So it's either breakout or I think kung mag-pull back man yan since wala namang volume. Kung mag-pull back yan and the next bounce, that's gonna be your entry point. This is a very good position for Globe. Actually, hindi naman siya pandemic levels, but this is a very good pullback already for Globe actually. Sir, kailangan po ba na mag-bot trading or pwede mobile lang? Sir, kailangan po ba ng PC? No, you don't need a PC. Cellphone, yes. At the very least, minimum cellphone. Yung bot trading kasi, yung 500 na binabayaran nyo every month, yun yung para sa VPS, meaning doon po iraran yung bot tsaka yung account ninyo. So, the bot needs access to your account. And then, you can monitor your account through a phone app lang. And then, you can even sell your positions through the phone app. So, at the very least, kung may cellphone lang kayo, that's the thing you need. You don't need a PC for that. We're making it convenient for you guys, right? Globe, that's for Globe. VUL po, sir. VUL. Alright, VUL. This is the massive support for VUL. We're reaching that levels right now, pero downtrend pa ang pinapakita na VUL. At the very least, if you wanna trade this out, tignan nga natin yung RSI niya. RSI is not giving us clear signals. So, support. If ever gusto nyo testingin to, medyo strictly for trading nga kasi nakalipad na to si VUL technically. So, konting ingat lang kay VUL. Okay? When I say strictly for trading, cut your losses po. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Si Prim po. Good day. Trade 3.35 to 3.5. Your thoughts po. Day trade. Good to day. Good po. Day trade. 3.35. Let's check out Prim. Pass na nito. Grabe. Pero, galing ha. Did you trade it today? 3.35 to 3.5. You did that today? Galing ha. 335. Let me see what your signal was for 335. What was your signal for 335? Your entry for 335. This MA20? I'm not really sure. Pero if you use that, that's a breakout right there on the short term. That's a very good trade. Galing, right? That's a good trade, man. Lindel Manluza, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Kakauwi lang galing sa work from South Korea. God bless po. Good evening sa inyo dyan. Anyong Haseyo, I don't know how to say good evening. Pero, gandang gabi po dyan sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo. Guitar God for day trade. Galing na ng day trade mo, man. Hello, sir. May bagong disclosure sa MM regarding lock-in ng IPO stocks. Insights on how this will affect the price. Doesn't really matter. Marami pong investors kay MM kasi. So, GMA7 still on a massive climb. I think investors are anticipating the elections. Laki ng kikitain ng GMA7 in the elections, man. So investors are banking on that, but man, look at that. RSI is already way up there. I can't reiterate much. I can't reiterate that much. Yes, pwede pong umakyat yan. But RSI basic, that's not an area you should be buying. That's overpriced up there. Ulit-ulitin ko yan. Masyadong mahal na po yan. Pwede kayong bumili dyan kung okay lang sa inyo maging investor kasi kung babagsak yan, baka bumagsak. Maging investor talaga kayo. If you're a trader, man, this is not a trade for you. Especially position trader. Yes, day trader, pwede naman to. There's increasing volume of the stock. Opportunity here is for day traders. So, I'll put that out there. If you're a day trader, if you know how to day trade, that man, you can trade this. But if you're a position trader, chances are if you're watching me right now, you're still a newbie. So, trust me, huwag yun na pong pasukin yan. Coach, any thoughts with Monde? Monde masyado mataas na ngayon. Ganda ng bot trading ngayon, sir, sabi ni Engineer Dianyo. Yeah, man. Sobrang ganda ng mga entries. Eddie Ed, good evening, Sir Lord. Good evening po. Ryuchi Buot. Good evening, Sir Lord. Thoughts po ninyo on general market on PSEi, on the current prices? Would you want on its silence and wait for pullbacks? I would say it's always wise to wait for pullbacks. It's just that yung PSEi, I use it as an indicator for the market. Yes, it's going on resistances right now, but there are assets na nasa support. Nakita niya kanina, ang dami natin tinitingnan sa support. So this is already still a signal for you to get into those positions na may support na or magbe-break out. It's a bullish market, so it's good to trade right now kahit na nagre-resistance si PSEi. Use PSEi as your indicator basically if it's on a bullish or a bearish market. If it's bearish, then do not trade, right? Because you're going up against the trend. But the trend right now is on an uptrend. Nagre-resistance siya, yes, but overall it's on an uptrend, so you can go for long positions. This is a very good, tingnan nyo, kahit na resistance sa PSEi, umakyat pa rin yung ibang stock because still bullish, right? Good PM, Sir Lloyd. Paki-check po ang PHR and BSC. PHR. Galing breakout trade kanina ha. Let it pull back before you wanna get in. Ang breakout kanina ang maganda. if ever napasok nyo sa PHR, na pag-usapan na natin yan before, ang lapit kasi sa resistance, pag na-breakout, mali yung entry. And the breakout na kanina, so kanina was the best entry. So hopefully nakapasok kayo. BSC, man. Ganda support, ha? Alright, just confirm the support once again. This is a buy for me. I would say buy this one, pero cut loss lang below the support. Right? Medyo taas na si BSC. So, konti ingat. But that's good support right there. You can trade that. Bullish naman ang market. So, yeah. Last kita sa saan yan, sir, yung bot? Meron akong kinoment, right, for you. May slot pa po ba, sir, Lloyd, yung bot? Yes, may slot pa, Eddie Ed. Yes, there are slots. We're opening more slots. Sir, kailangan ba PC kung mag-bot? Nope, you don't need a PC. Tricia Vargas, sir, palagay din po sa YouTube ng topic niyo about Forex with Richard Karingal. Sige, share ko sa YouTube yung episode namin with Richard Karingal about Forex. Ruel Diocareza, sir, may settings po ba yung bot na pwede matingnan sa CP version? Yes po. You can always access your account in the cell phone, right? That's how you monitor your trades. Kasi ganito po ang nangyayari sa bot, ha? The positions it open are very good. Kaso nga lang, because it's a bot, nakaset kami ng TP, hindi kasi pwede namin sabihin na pag nag-pullback, ibebenta mo na. Hindi siya pwede sa program. Kasi during the trade, during the day, pwede siya mag-pullback for it to go up again. So, ang settings po sa bot is target profit. So, minsan, hindi na-hit yung target profit. Let's say, for example, the target profit is at 10%, pero 9.5% pa lang, hindi niya pa binibenta, tapos bumagsak na, nasayang yung benta. So, usually, we tell, in our communications, you're gonna be joining at communications chat room kasi. We tell you in the chat room, pwede nyo na ibenta to, so you can sell it manually. On your end, using your cell phone, you can do that. Okay? Pinapa-manual sell namin yung iba. Yun yung purpose ng competition actually. This competition that we created, this is bot trade plus himas ninyo sa bot. Right? Whenever you see a position, pwede nyo ibenta, ganito, ganyan. Right, himasin nyo ang bot. hindi yung fully automated lang kasi pwede naman fully automated. Actually itong mga sila 1819, 1814, hindi nila hinimas yan. Pero naka-position pa rin sila sa trading competition. The competition is very short. So, but yeah, ito sa mga magaling maghimas sila Bernard, Danrem Amigable, viewer natin yan, Noel Quindosa, sila Junker de Rosario, magaling maghimas yan. So, hinihimas nila yung bot. So, at the very least, hindi nyo kailangan magtanong ng person na, Sir Lloyd, okay ba bilhin to, ganito, ganyan. The bot opens it for you. Then, it will sell the positions, pero mas maganda if kayo mag-sell. At the very least, sell na lang ang iisipin ninyo. Sir, pasilip naman si Pure Gold. Let's check it out. Pure Gold. P-Gold. There we go. Resistance for Pure Gold. There's another resistance for Pure Gold right here. Actually, pag nag-breakout to, I would say yes. Baka mag-breakout yan bukas. Pwede nyo bilhin yan si Pure Gold. Jojo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Singapore and shared your video. Thank you so much. Please share this video. Pakishare nga pala itong video na ito. Anyways, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip si DMC. Let's check out DMC. Masyado mataas to si DMC, man. Kahit green yan, I would stay away from it. Alright. We're hitting resistance levels right here. It's already showing us, what do you call this? Bearish signals at this point. Pataas yung presyo but RSI is already starting to slow down. Pababa na yung RSI niya. Buying and selling to, ha. So, if nasa taas, meaning, if taas siya, meaning parami yung buying. But right now, the buying momentum is already slowing down at that top. So, it's already showing us the bearish signals. Remember Bitcoin? Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo kay Bitcoin. Wag nyo na pong habulin yan sa taas because it's been showing us bearish signals. Pataas yung presyo dito, but look at the RSI levels, pababa ng pababa. As a reason why I told you it's already showing bearish signals. Those are bearish signals. Stay away from it, and it dropped nga after that. Right now, okay naman, sideways yung movement niya, but can't really say. Anyways, Sir, please check MG and SSI. Millennium Global. Power! Alam ko Millennium Global, yun yung ano eh, di ba? Networking eh, di ba? But yeah, it's doing well. After this downtrend right here, there's the rally right there, creating a new resistance. So if ever gusto nyo ito, let it break out from this pattern right here before you wanna get in MG. Pero ganda yung rally niya. SSI though, yan, si SSI, ganda na ng volume ni SSI ah. Ito I think mag-green to bukas. I think that's a buy for you, man. Use your MA20 as your support. Get in near MA20 as much as you can for SSI. Alright, Emmanuel Robles, thank you for tagging your friend. Renato Dolor, sir, pacheck si Macro. Naalala ko tuloy yung ano ko. Naalala ko tuloy yung kaibigan ko si Mac. Pinangalanan niya yung anak niya na HTML. Mac, sana mataas na. Actually, sinabi ko sa inyo kay Macro Asia, let it break out at the very least. Actually, noon pa sinabi ko na to sa inyo si Mac, badigayin nyo. Ngayon na napakataas na ni Mac, yes, there's volume in it, but man, there are signs again, sorry telling us na wag na. I cannot recommend this anymore, right? It will be very irresponsible for me to say na pwede nyo pa pupasukin yan. It will pull back in the future. Please po, matuto kayo na nasa pullbacks kayo pumapasok, right? Wag nyong stocks na nasa taas na. It's already way up there, way high up there. Maganda naman yung akyat niya, but RSI is telling us na bot na po siya, right? Manny Carpio, good evening sir. Tapos na po ba yung topic about bot trading? Ka-open ko lang kasi. Actually, bukas pa po ng alas 9 ang bot trading natin na topic. Yeah, I believe you're referring to this post right here. May update ako sa inyo. Tuesday, 9 p.m. po. So bukas po, after ng daily grind, we're gonna talk about daily grind and another program separate from the daily grind about yung bot na ito. Right? We've been, actually, we invested a lot of time and then effort for backtesting this. I will not be sharing this to you guys if ever hindi namin to na backtest. Tulad nung trend bot natin, yung current bot na ginagamit natin, right? We spent so much time of testing it. Actually, parang pangalan ko nakataya dyan eh. Right? So, I really wanted to make sure that it is a good bot and it has been doing well for us. That's why I myself have, sinishare ko po yung bot na yun kasi it's doing well. Even until now, ang ganda ng takbo ng bot. So, congratulations pa rin sa mga pumasok sa bot na yun. So, we were looking for a bot na different yung approach, more into long term. So, ito po yun. We're gonna be sharing it tomorrow. 9 p.m. po. Magla-live po tayo. Mga Stockstead sa Financial Freedom 101. Dito kasi sa Stockstead, we really want to teach you how to trade. That's why more of the charting tayo, more of the execution, ano ba tinitingnan nyo dapat sa mga trades ninyo. Daljan Maumay, good evening Sir Lloyd, magandang gabi. MM and PHA, buy more or avoid? MM, at the very least si MM, actually, ako lang for me kasi overpriced na to si MM during these levels, pero bumaba naman si MM, diba? To be fair, okay naman yung price niya, pero yung initial trend, at least sinasabi ko, pag nakaakalipad na, huwag nyo na po habulin. It's doing a pullback right now, so the market's not that strong just yet, so antayin lang natin, right? You don't have to be aggressive with the position for MM. Antayin lang natin, baka mag-support pa ulit. Sorry, excuse me, diba? PHA din, si PHA medyo kayo mahalan din, but starting to reach support levels. Iwas lang muna. You don't have to be aggressive with PHA. Alright. Joe Castillo, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pasilip si Aba. Ito. Dami nating nakuha pera ni Aba noon. But we're starting to do a rally, my friends. We talked about Aba. The breakout is gonna be was the good entry right here, and MA20 bounce was very good. Sabi ko sa inyo last Friday, okay na to. Hopefully, pinasok nyo kanina. There's good volume in it. I would say that's still a buy for me for ABA. I think magsisimula pala yung rally niya. So, congratulations sa mga nakapasok kay ABA. Applicable po ba yung XM promo pag dito sa abroad mag-open ng account? Thanks po sa advice, sir. Yes, I believe so. Right? Yes, Lawrence. Maggie, John, Legado, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ay, nga pala, no? Let me message XM, just to be sure. One moment. Alright, we should get an answer in a bit. So, ayan. Maggie John, Legado, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip ng boss si VST. Let's check it out, VST. Vistra Energy. Actually, chinek na natin to sa Vistra noon diba? Ganda na support niya. Oh, it's already way up there right now. Nag-breakout siya, yes. Man, this is already very, very scary for a trade. If this pulls back and at the very least settle for pullback and bounce, saka nyo pasukin. Wag ngayon. Masyado mataas. OCGN. Just check out OCGN. And OCGN, medyo nag-gap down. May OCGN pa ba ako? Or nabenta ko na yun noon? Let me check my port. Yeah, nabenta ko na yung OCGN ko noon. We sold it with a profit. So OCGN, medyo deado. I'm not really sure what happened right here in this gap down. So please know what's happening right here. Medyo malakas yung momentum niya on the downside. So delikado yan. Sir, good evening po. Gold po kaya. Let's check out gold sa Pro Charts. Gold. Downtrend na. Yep. The very least, we told you before, nasa resistances tayo. It's already showing us various signals and nag-downtrend na si gold. So, let it drop muna. Let it drop. Masyado kasi mataas na yung presyo niya. These were pandemic levels yung umakyat si gold ng ganon during the pandemic. Right now, wala na yung pandemic So, I'm not really expecting gold to really reach those high levels up there. Dave Yola, good evening, Sir Lloyd. AP po at ABA. We covered ABA already. ABA is a buy. Yes. AP. Avoid this power. Nag-breakout na. That's a buy also for today. Yes. AP is a buy. Good find. Nabangan natin yan for how many days yung breakout niya. Nag-breakout nga ngayon. Diba? So yes, that's gonna be a good, that's gonna be a good entry. Pasensya na, hindi pa nagre-reply yung XM there was a question if ever kasali sila. I'm gonna go to YouTube. May nanonood din natin sa atin sa YouTube. One to Traveler, good evening po, sir. Good evening, Sir Lord. Pa-check ako ng Converge on JFC. Let's check it out. This is from Paulo David. Converge. Alright, Converge. Medyo bearish na yung signals, man. It's already too expensive for me. I would say it's already too expensive. Investors, you can always wait for a pullback before you want to get in. That's not a trading area right there, especially we're reaching critical levels of RSI already. So yeah, Converge, that's for Converge. Next is JFC. And so JFC, masyado mataas na rin. We're hitting resistance levels for JFC. It's already playing inside the Bollinger Band, so that's momentum. Mababa na yung momentum niya. Look at the RSI, man. So let it pull back lang muna. Sidelines tayo for JFC for now. Sir, pasilip si gold. Well, we covered gold already. Josie M, good evening, Sir Lloyd. M-wide po at DDMP. We covered M-wide already. M-wide ay may resistance na tayo I've been calling out M-wide dito pa sa support. It's already way up there. We are already, if ever you entered during my recommendation, it's already up 17%. We're reaching resistance levels. That's my problem with M-wide. But I could be wrong kasi first time niya pala mag-touch talaga sa upper Bollinger Band. So it now has momentum in the MA20 levels niya. So, pull back and bounce at the very least kung gusto nyo pasukin sa MY. Okay? That's for MY. DDMPR, si DDMPR, still a buy for me. 4% po. Iba yung approach ko kay DDMPR, right? It's gonna give you 4% at the current price. So, that's a buy for me. If ever bababa man to, I would say buy more because as the prices go down, the dividend rates you get is gonna go higher. So, with that, I would say that's already good to buy. Good evening, sir. This is from Jericho Malabiga. Kara. Oh, hindi ko mabasa gaano. But yeah, let's check out Kara. Kara Therapeutics. Uy, ang ganda ah. Starting to poise over breakout. Resistance right here. I think okay na to. Mukhang magbe-breakout. But I don't know what happened right here, man. It was bullish before, and then nag-gap down. Baka nag-stock dividends or anything, something. Just know what happened right here. And then, on the short term, maganda naman. Very stable price right here. So, starting to break out. I would say that's a buy. As for Kara, Romulo Waminal. Good evening, sir. This is from Mark Lucena. New Bay lang. What's a New Bay? BEi? That's Singapore stocks. I'm not really sure if... Anyways, yan. Christian Joseph Panis, XAU USD. I'm not gonna be answering this, XAU USD. Ang dami kasing XAU USD. Ang dami kasing... sige, tingnan natin. Ayan. So, this for gold still. Baba pa rin, man. I think this is still gonna drop right there. For gold. Iwas lang muna tayo dyan. Let's go back to Facebook. Again, guys, bukas alas 9 po. I already introduced to you the trend follower bot. I know marami na po sa inyong kumikita. I will not get tired in inviting you guys. So congratulations pa rin. But yeah, that bot is more day trade kasi na bot. I mean, more of a short term. Okay? More of a short term na bot siya. And then, naghahanap ako na more to long term. And then, we already found one. We've done everything for the research and bukas po, i-share ko sa inyo. Alas 9. Sir, nag-XM from abroad but all my documents were PH. Okay naman po, naka-avail din ng promo. Nag-submit lang ako ng picture ng barangay clearance for proof of address from Kel Mike. Alright, that's good. This is to answer yung question kanina. As long as PH, may mga may mga PH documents kayo. So, maka-join pa rin kayo sa promo. Thank you so much for answering that, Kel Mike. Congratulations. Mac and AP, we covered Mac and AP already. Sir, pa-check naman po sa A-REIT. Usually, masyadong mahal na to, sir, A-REIT. I would say, stay away from it. It's hitting resistances already at this point, pababa na RSI. So, yeah, we're gonna be looking at massive pullbacks for sure in the future. Pero, man, I don't like to trade this one usually. But anyways, yeah, masyado mataas na po si A-REIT. Dave Viola, you're welcome. Neo from Tricia Vargas. Let's check out Neo. That's Neo confirming the breakout right there. That's the support right there. And it's already going up. I would say just buy it still. Binenta mo yung Neo mo. Binenta mo. Saka pa. Makiat pa si Neo. Alright. Airbnb from Tricia Vargas. Let's check out Airbnb. ABNB. Right, Airbnb, may resistance tayo, looking good. I think it's gonna break out, so catch it on the breakout, man. C-Poo, sir, let's check out from Laura Napa. Okay yung position ni Sia. Support for C is right here. No, not CB. Nasa baba to dapat. Here we go. Ito. So, it did already break out right here. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya nagkaka-momentum talaga. Diba? I would say, yeah, overall C is very low right here. I would say yes, this is a buy. We have signals after the pullback, dalawang green tayo. Actually, isang green lang yan, isang doji. But yeah, that's a bounce from the pullback definitely. So that's a buy. Right, I think na-cover na natin lahat ng questions. Meron pa dito humabol from Brent Bautista II, MQ. Nakakatakot to, man. Wala tayong technical analysis dito. Right? I will not recommend that just yet. APL po. It's APL. Support for EPL is right here in this area. I think it's gonna be testing the support again. So if you wanna trade this one, sharp trade lang, strict trade, cut loss below that, supports when it bounces. So that's for APL. FNI din. Si FNI din, isa rin to. So medyo mataas na po yan si FNI. Cannot recommend this. Short-term trade, strictly for trading. We have support right here. That's where you trade it. That's where you buy. But not my kind of trade. It's already very expensive. Okay? Good evening, sir. Matanong ko lang, sir. Anong time ba magandang bumili para sa inyo? Start ng market, mid, or end of the day? Actually, basically, if ever meticuloso ka sa trading, that's a very good question. Ako I am a position trader, so as long as nasa support pa, bibilhin ko na yan any time of the day. So, I usually buy ito. Pag nag-green to bukas, pwede ko end of the day. Or in the middle of the day, may makita na ako na solid na green and healthy volume, I would buy that already. Doesn't really matter for me. Pero if ever breakout ang trade mo, you really wanna wait for end of the day, mas maganda kung mag-hold yung breakout with the volume. So,